Okay, so the article I chose was Teaching Information Literacy in the Public Library. Basically, it was a public librarian giving instructions to kids or students grades 4 through 7 on information literacy because she had noticed that there was a mom with a child who came in and they couldn't make the connection between two subjects. And basically, what I really liked about this article was that it was a step-by-step guide in how she did it. And then it also mentioned that there needs to be some formal level of teaching. And that spoke volumes to me because working in the public libraries, there's not really any formal teaching going on. I mean, yes, we do give computer classes, but it's not in depth like how it was in this article, where the students actually were given a choice of topics, and then that was carried out through the search, and then it was carried out into a paper. So it was a whole process from beginning to end, and what I would like is if public libraries could actually implement teaching standards, not just regular ALA standards, but teaching standards, because that's what we're basically here to do, is to help teach and to guide our public patrons. All right, thank you.